Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stylish and durable braided bag strap using fabric. This is a great DIY project that you can customize to match your personal style. Before we get started, let's gather our supplies. You will need 4 strips of fabric, each 2 by 28 inches, and 2 contrasting strips, scissors, an iron and ironing board, a sewing machine, and thread to match your fabric. Let's prepare our fabric strips. Fold each fabric strip in half lengthwise, wrong sides together. Press the crease firmly. Open and fold the raw edges in towards the crease. Press. Then fold in half and press. The width of the strip should be a ½ inch. Sew along the open side of each strip using a 1/8 seam allowance. Choose your colors. Select 2 fabric strips of the same color and 1 contrasting color. Align the ends. Place the ends of the fabric strips together and sew across. Begin braiding the strips. Continue braiding until you reach the end of your bag strap. Secure the end by stitching across. Follow the same steps to create the second braided bag strap using the remaining fabric strips. And that's it. Your braided bag strap is now complete. Feel free to experiment with different fabric colors, patterns, and textures to create a unique and personalized bag strap. And you can use a serger to finish the ends for a more professional look. You can also add a D-ring or a tab at the end so that it would look more neat and finished. If you're adding this to a tote bag, you don't have to worry about the raw ends because that will be hidden inside the folds of your tote bag. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel for more DIY tutorials and crafts. Check out this video.